Oh, ice cream! Hi everyone, let me show you how to draw an ice cream today. Start with a triangle, then 1 scoop, 2 scoops, and 3 scoops of ice cream. Some lines. That's it. Very easy, I know. Now color time. Let's put some yellow on the first scoop. Now we have mango ice cream. Yum yum, I love mango. So tropical. And then some cream on the second scoop. What kind of ice cream is that? Oh, I know, it's green tea ice cream. And the next one, let's use blue. Oh, is that blueberry ice cream? Wow, I love blueberries. Everything is so juicy. And for the last bit, let's use red. And that is strawberry ice cream. For the corn, I will use a lot of colors. Let's start with pink. And then yellow. And then orange. And then red. And some purple. And the last bit is blue. Oh, cool! All done! Doesn't it look so delicious? And so colorful! Now it's glitter time, so first I will apply some glue. Some yellow glitter on the first scoop. And then red. And then green. And then blue. And then yellow. And orange. And red again. And purple. And let's blow. All done, so great. Goodbye.